But you're probably wondering, well, how do you actually create and sell an NFT? Well, first up, you need a wallet to store your crypto and your NFTs. And obviously, I would recommend using something like Google Chrome and installing what they call the MetaMask wallet extension. Once installed, you can actually head over to a marketplace, such as one of the more popular ones, which is OpenSea, sign in, and all you have to do is follow the instructions in your wallet. You can then create your own collection, enter your description and collection's name, upload an image, bearing in mind that you're not actually creating NFTs at this point, you're just setting up your collection for you to display the kind of work that you want to showcase for people interested in buying. So for now, you can really only create one NFT at a time. So if you plan to create 5 versions of the same piece of work and want potential buyers to know the supply, you need to add kind of an edition number in the statistics section. And if you're keen to make more than one copy of the same item, instead of creating more individual tokens and noting the edition number in the stats, you can actually embed some code into it to ensure that that can be done. So the creation of the NFTs is not too difficult, and if you follow the instructions, this can easily be done, and you can showcase your digital art or collectibles on a marketplace platform. It's also very interesting that you can actually add unlockable content that only the item owner can view. So examples of unlockable content include high-res imagery files, contact info for redeeming physical items, access keys, and more. Recently at Catena Consultancy, we've commenced some work on a digital art NFT for a very unique supercar, that if you purchase that particular digital art as an NFT, you'd also have access to a private villa on an island as part of its unique context. So there's really a lot that can be done here, and it's quite fascinating. And obviously, if you like to edit an item, you can only adjust your tokens when you still own them. So make sure that they're right before listing them for sale. And the editing function also allows you to freeze your metadata onto a decentralized storage device. So then you can list your items for sale, and this is simply done by heading to the asset page on the public facing page, and you can just press sell, and then you've got the option to have a fixed price listing or auction them off, and then when you're happy, all you have to do is post your listing and follow the instructions in your wallet. But if you've never actually sold an item before, then what you'll have to do is pay a gas fee, because it's on the Ethereum blockchain, in order for you to be able to list. But it's a once-off fee, so that when you come to list new items thereafter, that's no longer required. But art isn't just about leaderboards, but collectors often use the rankings page or elements of gamification to discover new and exciting creators. And obviously, there's no doubt it's a very steep ascent to get to the top, but many traders actually filter the 7-day change. So there's ample opportunity, if you're interested in getting in this space, to get yourself in front of buyers. If you can generate a few early sales, you'll see that you climb up the rankings very, very quickly.